How to export threads data. To do that, click on your profile icon right here in the bottom, and then you should be able to see this. So right now, click on the two dots or two lines, and then from there you can see this. So what you can do next is to click on the count, and then from there you can see this download your information. For that, click on that, and then it will redirect you to your Instagram because threads and Instagram are essentially connected together. So for this one, just click on this download or transfer and then choose in here your Instagram and click on next. After that, click on this sum of your information and then on this list that will appear, just select which data you want to actually download. So for this one, let's download threads. Now click on next. Then you can download the device or transfer the destination. For this one, I'll just download. And then just choose in here the date range and who you will notify and then click on this create files right here in order to create your files. So that's how you export threads data. Hope we helped.